Skinless, air-fried buffalo wings. Check them out. First, to remove the fat, we're just going to lay the wing down. We get a little slice in the skin. Hold the skin down and roll the wing away while keeping the blade against the skin. You then have skinless, lower fat chicken wings ready to go. I'm going to show you one more time. We just lay down a chicken wing, hold a piece of the fat down, make an incision, and then you're just going to use your blade to roll the chicken away while keeping the blade against the fat, and it's just going to skin it right off. Now you're going to take your chicken wings and hit them with a spice blend of 1/4 teaspoon each of cumin, onion powder, garlic powder, and dry thyme leaves. Preheat your air fryer to 375 and toss the seasonings in with the chicken wings. Give the air fryer a quick spray, then toss in the chicken wings, cooking for 12 to 15 minutes, tossing periodically. While those cook, preheat your oven to 350. Once you've reached an internal temperature of 165, toss them with your favorite buffalo sauce. I wanted to try this truffle hot sauce, which came out really well. Go ahead and dump it onto a sheet tray lined with foil. Then top your wings with an ounce of crumbled blue cheese. Bake for 5 minutes in the oven and you are left with these delicious, skinless, blue cheese melted chicken wings. Oh my gosh. Now for the nutrition facts, it obviously may vary, depending on the size of the chicken wings, the bone, etc. So I had 12 wings that weighed 16 ounces. Each bone was about 0.5 ounces. So I subtracted 6 ounces total and was left with 10 ounces of actual dark meat. The top are the nutrition facts, macronutrients for the recipe itself. The bottom would be if you left out the blue cheese. If you're interested in trying these, you can go ahead and take a snapshot of the ingredient list here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.